So welcome back, dear friends. Let us discuss activity 5.2. So we can okay. So activity 5.2. In which ledger would you expect the following accounts? The first one is completed to you. So in which ledger? Okay. So which ledger? So what are the different ledgers? So there is general ledger. So there is a customers ledger. There is suppliers ledger. So okay, so those are the various ledgers. So let us have a look at the various ledgers that are possible. So see here, these are the list of ledgers, division of the ledgers. Ledgers can be divided into sales ledger, purchase ledger, general for nominal ledger, private ledger for confidential amounts which are personal in nature and all are recorded there, and cash book for the bank and cash accounts. We use cash book. So sales ledger to record sales, purchase ledger to record purchases, general, other items other than cash and bank. So private ledger, so other than which is not recorded normally, which is a confidential nature, and cash book. Cash book is for the bank and cash accounts, that is whatever is received, whatever is paid, all those are bank accounts. Okay, so capital is general ledger again. So customer who buys goods on credit, customer who buys goods on credit. So it is we are selling and who is you are buying. So a customer who buys goods on credit. So when you are selling, so the other person is buying. So these are credit sales ledger. Supplier of office equipment. So whatever it is, whether he is a supplier of goods or supplier of office equipment, whoever it is purchase ledger. So but since it is not merchandise, okay, so it is office equipment, it is asset. So we have to be careful. You have to ask yourself whether it is asset or merchandise. So what is merchandise? Merchandise is those things which you buy to resell. So when you are purchasing office equipment, you are it is not a merchandise. It is not a merchandise. You are buying it as an asset. So it will be recorded in general ledger itself. So it will not be recorded in purchases ledger because it is not purchase of merchandise. Be careful. Okay. So bank account will be recorded in bank ledger itself. Bank or cash book, you can say. Okay. So bank or cash book. So wages is in general ledger because it is an expense. Sales will be recorded in nominal ledger. So price okay, once again, sales ledger for the accounts of customers that buy on credit. Only credit customers. These are accounts receivables. So these are customers that buy for the accounts of customers. Okay, it is not for sale. Sales, even though it mentions sales ledger, it is not for sale, but it is for the accounts of customers that buy on credit because customers and sales are related. So purchase ledger. So even though it is purchase ledger, for the accounts of suppliers, it is not for the account of purchasers, it is for suppliers. So general or nominal ledger for assets, liabilities, revenue, other incomes. So revenue is what? Sales, right? Sales. Revenue is nothing but sales. So sales are recorded here. Other income. So other income is like interest, all those things and all. Expenses. Expenses again purchases. Okay, so all these things are recorded here. Private, so that has nothing to cash book for the bank and cash accounts. So cash book for bank and cash accounts. So very important. So again, often asked in MCQs and all. So keep a note of this. So very important. Okay, so Sales is general ledger. Okay, so general or nominal, it's called nominal also. Nominal ledger. So general or nominal. Why? Because it is revenue. Wages is an expense. Okay, so be careful. So this is how we have to understand the concepts, so that the concepts accuracy as you proceed for A levels. If the concepts are not very clear, you will get hiccups. So you will struggle. So you will struggle in A levels to secure very good marks. So there is no shortcut. Please remember, there is no shortcut for success. You have to put in a lot of efforts. So you have to practice a lot. Try to understand the concept. It's very important. Understanding the concept is very important. So this is the end of activity 5.2. So now let us continue with activity 5.3. So activity 5.3.